In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and enable location on Google Chrome 2026. Let's start right in the browser. Open Google Chrome on your device, then tap or click the three dots in the top right corner to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of your privacy, permissions, and site behavior controls, so everything we need will be in here. In Settings, scroll until you find Site Settings and open it. Site Settings is essentially the control center for what websites can do, like sending notifications, using your camera or microphone, and of course, accessing your location. Now select Location. This page manages whether websites can see where you are and how Chrome handles requests for your location. If you want to enable location access, turn on the main location toggle or select the option that says sites can ask for your location. With this on, Chrome won't automatically share your location with every site. Instead, you'll get a prompt when a website asks. You can then choose allow or block on a case-by-case basis. This is helpful if you want features like local weather, nearby search results, or map-based directions without opening up access to every site by default. If you prefer to disable location access, turn off the location toggle or select Don't allow sites to see your location. When this is set, Chrome will stop sharing your location and will block new requests automatically. Many sites will still work, but anything that relies on precise location, like location-based maps or store finders, may ask you to enter a city or zip code manually instead. From the same location screen, you can manage permissions for specific websites. You'll see lists of sites you've previously allowed or blocked. Tap or click any site to adjust its permission, changing it to allow, block, or ask as needed. If a site isn't behaving the way you expect, you can remove it from the list so Chrome asks you again next time you visit. This is a great way to tighten privacy without losing convenience on the sites you actually trust. When you're done, simply close the settings screen. There's no save button here. Chrome applies your changes automatically. If a page was already open while you made changes, refresh it to make sure the new permission takes effect. That's it. Quick, clear control over your location privacy in Chrome, with the flexibility to enable, disable, or fine-tune access for individual sites whenever you need.